What's up everyone? Welcome back. If you're ready to get the How to Fish hack trainer and running, I'll show you the complete process right here, starting with the download and ending with the first launch. Open the link shown in the video and download the current launcher package. Once it's saved, extract the archive and find the setup file. Password from archive 4545. Start the installer, select your destination folder, and continue with the installation. Let everything finish before moving on to the next step. When the setup is complete, open the launcher and give it a few moments to load. And that's it for the installation. Now just watch the screen as we take a quick look through the interface.